Let's talk about an online business that won't drain your wallet or your time.
Would you believe it? That's 8 lakh rupees in passive income from just 3 digital products?
So, what's a digital product? Simple. It's something you sell completely online, no physical stuff. You've seen these everywhere, right? Ebooks, templates, online courses, they're super popular.
Okay, first big question. What do you actually sell? Well, you've got two main paths to go down.
You can either resell a product that's already a proven hit, or you can create your very own. Want to find a winner? Check the Facebook ad library. Look for ads that have been running for ages. But here's the catch with reselling. The market gets crowded fast. Everyone jumps on the trend. Creating your own is where the real magic is. Solve a problem, build an asset that you actually control. All right, you've got your product. Now, how do you get people to buy it? Let's check out 2 ways. You can go organic. It's free, but it's a slow burn. Or you can use paid ads for instant results. And hey, don't worry, paid ads don't have to be complicated. Instagram Boost is super easy for beginners. It's literally a few clicks. Boost your reel, pop in your link, pick your audience, and set a budget. Okay, now for the best part, building the machine that makes you money while you sleep. A tool like Superprofile can automate the whole thing for you. Payments, delivery, all of it. So check out how this works. It all starts when someone comments on your reel with a keyword. Boom, an automated DM with your product link hits their inbox instantly. You don't lift a finger. They click the link, they buy your product, and just like that, you've made a sale. And that's it. You've built an automated sales machine that works for you around the clock. So you're ready to do this, right? Here's a simple plan to get you going right now. So to recap, get a product, set up an Insta page, make a reel, and then automate all your sales. You've got the entire blueprint right here. The only thing left to decide is, what are you going to sell?